Okay, now question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Here again we are going to use the same property of a triangle, that the sum of two sides is greater than the third side, which we have used in question number 3. Okay, so apply the same property. Here quadrilateral ABCD is given with diagonal AC and BD. Now here we will bifurcate our quadrilateral, taking one diagonal AC and second time diagonal BD. So here you can see that I have made two quadrilateral ABCD whose diagonal is AC. Then here ABCD whose diagonal is BD. Understood? So when I am taking AC is a diagonal of a quadrilateral. So you can see that when we having AC as a diagonal, then we are having a two triangle. One is that, second is that. So again you will use the same property of a triangle. Here you can see after the bifurcating quadrilateral by a diagonal AC, you will get two triangle ADC and triangle ABC. So here we are using the same property of a triangle, that the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third sides. So right here in quadrilateral ABCD, when AC is the diagonal, so quadrilateral ABCD is dividing into two parts, first triangle, second triangle. So right here in triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, what see in the question, AC is coming after the greater sign, है ना? So right here greater sign, then AC. And when you are taking AC after the greater sign, two sides are left, AB and BC. So write AB plus BC, equation 1. Again second triangle ADC. AC is after the greater sign, keep a greater sign, AC, then leaving AC, AD and DC are left, write AD plus DC, equation 2. Okay, now take the second quadrilateral with diagonal BD. So when you are taking diagonal BD, this again two triangles are forming, ABD and BCD. So you have the same property of a triangle. So in quadrilateral ABCD, BD is the diagonal. So in triangle ABD, again see here after the greater sign, BD is given. So greater than BD, leaving BD, two sides are left of triangle ABD, which are that AD and AB, right? AB plus AD. Again in triangle BCD, greater than BD, two sides are left. BD we have taken, and two sides are left, BC plus DC. Then write BC plus DC. So this type of equation you will get. Now you can see here we have to add equations. To add equation 1, 2, 3 plus 4. Clear? After adding all these equation, this AB plus BC plus AD plus DC plus AB plus AD plus BC plus DC greater than AC plus AC, BD plus BD. This type of equation you will get here. Now you can see here all these sides are coming two times here. AB, here AB, then here is AB. So two times AB. BC plus two times BC. AD, two times AD. Then AC, two times AC. Sorry, DC, it's DC. So DC, two times CD. Greater, AC plus AC, twice AC. BD plus BD, twice BD. Then what you will get? Twice of AB plus twice of BC plus twice of CD plus twice of AD greater than twice of AC plus twice of BD. Then from that equation you will take 2 as a common. Take out 2 a common. When you take out 2 common, you will get AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. bracket close, greater than twice of AC plus BD. Cut this 2. See here, you will get twice of AB plus twice of BC plus twice CD plus AD. We have taken out 2 as a common. Greater than twice AC plus BD, close bracket. These two can be cancelled out. Then the remaining thing AB plus BC plus CD greater than AC plus BD. Understood all of you? Now your question is to solve the remaining question of exercise 6.4. Okay? So thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, beta.